If you're looking for a fantastic screen-free gift, I cannot recommend this How to Draw Everything book enough. It really does walk you through so many different creations, and my 9-year-old daughter loves this. One of the things I really appreciate about it is that while she draws on a separate piece of paper, if you wanted to, you could actually draw next to each walkthrough, as it gives you that space and it shows you in a very welcoming style how to draw so many different creatures, like this baby sloth, and then lots of different adorable food items, from noodles to very cute avocados to toys and sports like unicorns and even tennis rackets. And of course it keeps going with amazing things, which is even more of a variety of options. Everything from hair dryers to hand soap. So whether you're drawing in this book or next to it, it is a really great introduction to drawing 300 different items.